Hi, I'm Sham and I head marketing at Draup. I'm here with Davide and Vincenzo. Hi, Davide. Hi, Vincenzo. Can you please introduce yourselves for us?
I Yes, Davide Amabile. I'm the head of a transformation platform at Leonardo.
My name is Vincenzo Cozzolino. I am responsible for people strategy and governance in the HR function of Leonardo at a group level.
So, Davide, tell me, how did Leonardo recognize the need for talent intelligence?
Yeah, you know that the talent market is very competitive, and especially in Europe,
Hmm.
because the number of young engineers is reducing year over year. The population is becoming older. There are few engineers than the market requires. So the competition is very strong, not only between the companies operating in aerospace and defense, but the competition involves all the
Hmm.
tech companies. So we at then define we need a data-driven approach for talent acquisition. And it's very important to have a solution and workflow that support us in understanding the emerging skills, see what our competitors are done or
Hmm.
are doing in terms of talent skills they're looking for, markets where they're doing,
Hmm.
university they are cooperating with. So it's very important in terms of market intelligence, putting together all this kind of data. It's important for us also see what could be the talent market available for
Yeah.
us, where we can find the talents we need. Of course, we have to understand the cost of labor in those markets and see
Yeah.
if it's competitive for us. So, having a partnership with the Draup and their solution is fundamental to support our talent acquisition processes.
Thank you, Davide. Vincenzo, how has your experience been working with Drop in terms of talent intelligence, emerging skills, identifying emerging skills, and other places?
Thanks for the question. We are partnering with Drop since 2012, 2020, and we are so happy. We can say that Drop is the main partner for Leonardo in talent intelligence and data analytics, and in particular for HR, Drop is partnering with us in two key processes, that is strategic workforce planning and recruiting. In particular, Drop works together with the Leonardo team in identifying the most interesting and emerging labor market where we can find and recruit the best talents, how we can manage the recruiting process according to the different countries, the different economic landscape and background. We are also partnering in analyzing the evolution of skills in the mid-term and the long term,
Hmm.
how hard technical or soft behavioral skills are evolving in the labor market and in the mm, researching in order to be also aligned with the evolution of the skills,
Hmm.
and so we can also be able to upskill or reskill our people
Hmm.
to be always updated to the technical evolution, the new technologies, the best innovation. And finally, it is a sort of partner also in studying particular phenomena such as the mm, employer branding positioning of Leonardo
Hmm.
worldwide, how the our employer branding is perceived by people in different countries or in different background, such as STEM background, higher education environment, universities, and this is very helpful to us to try to make Leonardo the best employer choice we can.
Thank you, Vincenzo.
Thank you.
Davide, one last question for you before we wrap up. Uh, so, tell me about your experience working with the team at Drop. How
Yeah.
has it been for you?
Yeah. Let me say, there is one of the characteristics I love is the flexibility. So there is no a relationship client supplier. Let me say,
Yeah.
is a real partnership. Sometimes our expectation are higher. Sometimes we change our mind. Sometimes we need answer in very short time because we have to prepare some reports for our leadership and our top management. What we have found, that this is the main reason because we are cooperating very well, is this flexibility and support to us.
Thank you so much, Davide. Thank you so much, Vincenzo. It was lovely talking to you today.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much.